What is zero of a function with example? The zero of a function is the value of the variable that makes the function equal to zero. Zero of a function's the point where the graph of the function crosses the x-axis. In other words, it's the input value that results in an output of zero. Example: for the function f, x equals x minus 3, the zero is x equals 3 because f, 3, equals 3 minus 3 equals 0. For the function g, y equals y square minus 4, the zeros are y equals 2 and y equals minus 2 because g, 2, equals 2 square minus 4 is equal to 0 and g minus 2 equals minus 2 square minus 4 is equal to 0. The zero of a function is crucial because it tells us where the function's value is 0, which can be important in solving real-world problems.